In this video, we're going to focus on solving basic math problems that you may encounter in everyday life. So let's start with this problem. John has 7 $50 bills, 12 $20 bills, 8 $10 bills, and 9 $5 bills. How much money does John have? So this problem involves multiplication and addition. So let's start with the largest bills. He has 7 $50 bills. What's 7 times 50? Well, we know that 7 times 5 is 35. So the total is going to be 350. You just got to add the 0. Now he has 12 $20 bills. So if he has 12 $20 bills, how much money does he have? We know that 5 20s is 100, 10 20s is 200, 2 20s is 40. So this is going to be 240. You could also do it this way. You can actually multiply it. You could perform long multiplication. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. That is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. And then 1 times 2 is 2. And then add 240, you get 240. So you could use long multiplication if you want to. Next, he has 8 $10 bills. 10 times 8 is 80. And then he has 9 $5 bills. 9 times 5 is 45. So now let's perform addition. So add in the first column of numbers, we're going to get 5. And then add in the second column of numbers. We have 5 plus 4, which is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. So we're going to write the 1, carry over the 2. And then we're going to add 2 plus 3 plus 2, which is 7. So he has a total of $715.